give her hell, but she love how I rock. She want me to marry her, but I'd rather marry the block. I marry the mic. I'm in love with the guap, the fast life, bright lights. Baby, I'm addicted, I'm sorry, it's hard to resist it. But you've been there through the good times and bad times. Held me down when I was broke, barely had a dime. Been through the rain, they barely knew my name. I promise you when I got money that I wouldn't change. Damn, a nigga lie, but I swear you niggas try. And I ain't too hard to swallow my pride. Them hoes wasn't shit, I fuck them in a slide. Then I'm back to the money, all I see is dollar signs. And every time we fucking, it's moaning and screaming. You tell me you love me, but I'm out the door leaving. Bitch, I'm gone.
Something that you're doing has a hold on me. I keep trying to leave you, but I'm just too weak. Oh no, I don't want you to go. And even though I know this ain't healthy, baby, it's not healthy. I tell you to stay away from me. Oh no, I don't want you to go.
On the heels, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. She got the game from my bottom, then she passed the shit on to my new assignment tour with some niggas behind. They don't like me cause I'm hyphy, but our music is mine. I guess I'm pimping on your wifey, but don't need her at all. Cause I got a bad bitch with a hell of a jaw. She put it on them niggas and them tricks for breaking her off. Sometimes she meet a nigga and he pay the bitch just to talk. She wanna be with a boss. I'm strictly on some guap, you know what I look like, paying bills at a spot for you. Rather start to grow up, but still you won't let me go. Try and lace you with a slime, cause I know I'm not the one. Don't think you ain't special, you've been graced with my presence. But it's better if I left you, so I leave you with this message. Try to find the strength to stay away from a gangster. Showed your ass the life, but you ain't gotta thank me now.
Something that you're doing has a hold on me. I keep trying to leave you, but I'm just too weak. Oh no, I don't want you to go. And even though I know this ain't healthy, baby, I find the strength to tell you to stay away from me. Oh no, I don't want you to go.
We fuss and fight, fight and fuss. Fuck makeup, we stuck in the same fucking circle till this shit blow up. Stop listening to your girl, see your girl want us to self-destruct, your time is up. I had enough of your bullshit, he say, she say. Drama, call a girl on a three-way. You can be my woman, but you better take it easy. Shit, I changed your life, took you out the hood, big dreams and lights. Any other bitch